Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Lenovo ThinkPad L16 camera driver. So open any browser and search to Google search box, then go to this URL pcsupport.lenovo.com. Just right click to new tab, go to this URL. You can see this is your laptop. So first guys, this is automatic, so automatically detect required driver and install it. Okay, if you have to install the separate driver, so select the manual. Okay, scroll down and click to camera. Okay, find out the integrated USB camera driver inbuilt also in there. So guys, install. Okay, so click to download. Downloading start. Then click to setup. Then yes, and accept, next, and install. Install. Now you can see this is extract and installing the drivers. Then click to OK and then finish it.